Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start our new unit number 2.3. The name of the lesson is Abdul becomes a courtier. This story is written by the great writer Pratibha Nath. Okay. What does the writer Pratibha Nath wanted to tell from this story? That is the theme of the lesson. Okay. What is the theme of the lesson? In this lesson, the writer Pratibha Nath tells us about Abdul, who is very wise is clever and intelligent, and loves reading and learning. He was eager to get more knowledge and desires to work in emperor's office. Actually, his poor condition, he could not get the further education. He don't have books to read, but he was very clever, very wise, and he loved reading and learning more. What purpose? He was eager to get more knowledge and desired to work in emperor's office, king's office. That is his desire. But due to his poverty, he could not go ahead. So he worked in the office of emperor. It was his desire to work in emperor's office, to get the knowledge, more and more knowledge. Now there are some difficult words are given from the story. First word is courtier. It comes given here. Courtier is what? A person who works in emperor's office. A person who works in emperor's office. That is called darbari. दरबार में काम करने वाला. It is called courtier. Next word is clerk. Clerk means a person who keeps the record. We are calling in Marathi lipik. Next word is quench. Quench means to satisfy. To satisfy means what? Samadhani karne. Next word is zeal. Zeal means enthusiasm, उत्साह, काम करण्याची वृत्ती. That is called enthusiasm. Next word is drive. An effort made to achieve a certain purpose. एखादा विशिष्ट उद्देश आपल्याला साध्य करण्यासाठी केलेले प्रयत्न. That is called as drive. Drive means an effort made to achieve a certain purpose in life. So these are some difficult words from the story. I have given the central theme of the story. Just go through the central theme, recite all the spellings, and send the completed homework to me. And most important thing is that you have to read the story Abdul becomes a courtier very carefully. Understand it, recite all the spellings, recite the theme of the lesson. On next lecture, I will explain the story in detail, as well as I will give some question answer for this topic also. Even some grammar sentences from the story I will give to you. But you have to complete this homework in time and send it to me. Because if you observe that most of the students are not sending their homework in time. I am having their records. So I am repeating again, do send your homework every day. Whenever teachers from our class of subject wise, they are giving you homework. Do complete all the subject teachers' homework in time and send them on that particular time. Okay? Thank you.